Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Have you ever been asked to analyze the data and rank them accordingly? Also, have you been asked anytime to come up with top 3 or bottom 3 performers or something like that? If yes, then today's video is going to be super useful for you. Today, with the help of our sample dataset, we are going to understand how to rank the data and how to get top 3 and bottom 3 in the list. So let's directly jump into our sample dataset and learn how can we rank the data and how can we get top 3 or top 5 or bottom 3 or bottom 5 in the given list. Here is a sample data of countries and their respective population. So with the help of this data, we are going to rank the countries based on their population and identify what are the top 3 countries and bottom 3 countries based on their population. So to rank the countries based on population, we are going to use a formula called rank. So let's put the formula is equal to rank. There are 3 formulas available for rank. For now, let me use rank.eq formula. Then it says the number. Number is nothing but the population for each country. I am selecting B2, comma. Reference is nothing but the entire list of countries with population. So column B has the details on population. So I am selecting the entire column B. Close bracket, enter. Let me drag down the formula. Here you go with the ranking of the countries. For our convenience, let me just sort the data based on rank. So now, how to get a list of top 3 populated countries and bottom 3 populated countries? We can do it in a couple of ways. The simplest way would be get population first and then do a lookup function to get the country. To get the highest populated, second highest populated and third highest populated countries, we are going to use large function. So let's put the formula is equal to large, open bracket, select the array. So I'm just selecting the population, comma, I want the first highest, right? Close bracket, enter. Now I will just drag down the formula and I will just change the preference. Now I want the second highest in column E4 and third highest in column E5. We can get the country name by using index and match or XLOOKUP if you have Office 365. So for now, I'm going to use index and match formula to get the country name is equal to index, open bracket, the array in which I have the results. It is a country name that I want as a result, comma, match, open bracket, select E3 if this amount matches to the amount in column B exactly. Close bracket, and I got China. Let me drag down the formula. So the first highest is China, second highest is India, and third highest is United States. In a similar way, we can use small function to get the bottom 3 countries is equal to small, open bracket, select the array, comma 1, drag down the formula, change 1 into 2 so that I can get second lowest and change it to 3 to get the third lowest, and copy paste the formula from above to get the country name. If you cross check, the top 3 are India, China and United States, which is matching here as well, and the bottom 3 are Pitcairn Islands, Vatican City and Cocos Islands. They are matching. Hope you enjoyed today's video and learned how to rank the data and select top 3 or bottom 3 or top 5 or bottom 5 from the given list. If you like the content of the video, please like the video, put your thoughts in the comment box, share the videos and subscribe to my channel if you haven't so far. Until my next video, happy learning!